Hey, my Legion, what's going on? I remember seeing this product about like a month and a half ago, or well, 2 months ago at Walmart, and I thought it was too expensive, so I didn't get it. It was like around $5, and like 2, 3 weeks ago, I did a review of what were the Hanover's veggie crisps, and they're just like trying to make potato chips taste like vegetables and stuff like that. It just, well, I mean, potato is a vegetable, like. It was always so-so. But I mean, they kind of taste like a lame version of Munchos, and then a fellow subscriber and individual in person recommended I try this again. The one product from Walmart I passed by last time. These are Nature's Harvest lightly salted veggie crisps with uh, sea salted. What sea salted. Uh, so these are around like $4.50, $5. So they're kind of expensive. That's why I skipped them in the first place. But I thought at least try them again. And they got let me see. See, hold these up. It said nutritional facts: 140 calories, calories 40 grams, uh, vitamin A 10%. There's no vitamin C, which kind of is weird because it's real vegetables these times. But these are actually really real vegetables that are dehydrated, crisping, and all that stuff. You know. And there's yellow and purple sweet potatoes, squash, carrots, taro, whatever that is, green beans, canola oil. Well, that's not a vegetable. And the product of Vietnam. Uh, okay, let's try these out. These come off a certain way. I think this is sweet potato. It has to be right here, sweet potato. See? Very good. What do these other things are? Why? Well, these right here are obviously green beans. Maybe this is a taro right there. Oh, I got big piece right here. These are pretty good. Wow. These are really crunchy. I know I'm not wearing a shirt. It's 5 o'clock in the morning. I gotta get up at 7 for work. I just couldn't sleep that well, so I thought I'd do another review. I think this is a carrot right here. Mm. And I got some pieces of squash right here, I think. Yeah, these are definitely different. Um, I should have got the one that are seasoned a little more, but it's okay. These are pretty good. And these are actually the real deal, the real thing. That's how I was kind of hungry. I thought I'd give these a try. He's going too bad. I'm going to give these like an 8 out of 10. But you actually are eating real vegetables on these. I like those banana chips. I haven't had banana chips in a while. Those were really good. So I give an 8 out of 10 to Nature's Harvest lightly salted veggie crisps. I wanted to give a thank you to the subscriber that mentioned these to me. Because I was going to try them before, but I was on the fence about it. But I'm glad I got them. God, cough is bad. And I'll wash it down with some Diet Pepsi. I hope y'all like this video. So Christmas is coming up. I plan on doing a Christmas video tomorrow. I mean, well, today it's Christmas Eve. We'll probably uploading a little earlier, you know, before Christmas and stuff. So I hope you all enjoyed. And until next time, please like, share, subscribe, and take care, my legion.